Welcome to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated to my latest notifications. Again, welcome all of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors, and today again I'll be discussing with you an important topic regarding maths, and that is square of any number within 5 seconds. So this is another important topic related to Vedic maths, and as usual it will be presented by me, that's educator Shovik Maitra. Without doing any further delay, I will begin, but before that one, let's have a look at my achievement section. Like I have cleared various bank exams and SC exams also. If you are a new viewer, you can have a look at all these things. Apart from it, if you are a new viewer, don't forget to hit the subscribe button given below, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest notifications. Since this is related to maths, obviously my target audience will be any bank PO clerk. In fact, it's important for SC aspirants, insurance, railway guys too. Now, if you're going to subscribe for Unacademy's plus option courses, definitely you can use my code PLUSR4SVE. If you use this code, then you'll be getting flat 10% off on any Unacademy plus option courses, and if you want Asian discount, that too you can achieve using Unacademy learning credits. So let's come straight to the point, that is to the topic: how to find the square of a number in 5 seconds. Let's see. First of all, like if you ask, like find the square of 39. Okay, so I will find it out. Let's see. Another important thing, hopefully you now remember the squares of 1 to 10. Okay, in my square root lesson I have already taught you that. Please remember the chart, otherwise you will not be able to find the square of a number. Now let's look at this thing. 39 square. Okay, 9 square, it's 81. Okay, see it over here, how to find it out. 39 square you need to find out. Now 9 square, it comes to be 81. First make these 3 lines. 9 square is 81, so write 1 over here and 8 will be carry forward. Just keep it over here. Now 3 square is 9, keep it over here. Now the next step, it will be 3 9s are 27 multiplied by 2, it makes it 54. This is a trick, you need to remember it. 3 into 9, 27, into 2, it's 54, and 8 that carry forward, it will add it, so it makes it 62. So 2 and 6 will be carried forward to over here, and 9 and 6, it makes 15. So what you will get over here, the answer will be 1521. Okay, if you have not understood it, no problem, you will understand it in the next example itself. Let's look at the square of 42. Again we'll making 3 lines over here. 2 square, it's 4. Let's place in 4 in the units digit. 4 square, it's 16. So let's place 16 over here. Now next step, it will be 4 into 2 into 2, that makes it 8 into 16. Okay, so put 6 over here, carry forward 1 will come over here, so the answer will be 1764. I think now it's quite clear to you, and if it's not clear, please rewind the video over and over again and you will eventually understand it. Next one, that is find the square of 47. Okay, 47, so make 3 places over here as usual. 7 square is 49, so keep 9 over here, carry forward, it will be 4 over here. Next 4 square is 16, keep 16 over here. Now 4 is 28, 2 is 56, and carry was 4, so it makes 60. Put 0 over here and carry forward 6. So the answer will be 2209 as mentioned over here. Next one, that is the square of 72. How to find it out? Again place 3 places over here. Now 2 square is 4, 7 square is 49, and 7 into 2, that's 14, 2 is 28. Okay, so put 8 over here, carry forward 2 goes over here, so answer will be 5184. Okay, sorry for the printing mistake over here, it will be 5184. Okay, the answer will be 5184. Next one. Now this is another category, like you need to find the square of any number that is near to 50. Okay, so the first category which we are seeing, this will be applicable for numbers that is greater than 50. There are actually 2 categories. First one will be lesser than 50 and the second one will be greater than 50. Here I am discussing about the numbers which are greater than 50. That's given over here. Like if you're asked find the square of 51, what we will do? Okay, 51, you think of 50. Okay, 50 half is 25, that's 5 square. So since this number, that's 51, it's 1 greater than 50, so what you'll do, you write over here like 25 plus 1 within brackets. And the second one, it will be, since it is 1 more than 50, so it will be 0 0, by default just take it, plus 1 square. So the answer will be 2601. Look at the next example, it will help you to make it more clear the things. That is, if you are asked to find the square of 52, so what we'll do, 52 is more than 50 by 2, so this one it will be 0 0 plus 2 square, that makes it 4. Okay, always place 0 0 because the answer will be 0 4, and the beginning two digits, how to find it out, like it's more than 50 by 2 units, so it will be 50 by 2 is 25 plus 2, so that will be 27, so answer will be 2704. Okay, look at the next example also, like 53 square. How to find it out? It's 3 more than 50, so these two digits will be 0 0 plus 3 square, that is it will be 09. Now let's look at the first two digits. 3 more than 50, that will be 50 by 25 plus 3, that will be 2809. Let's look at the last one, that is 56 square. So how to find it out? Like it is more than 50 by 6 units, so it will be 0 0 plus 6 square, and the first one it will 50 by 2 25 plus 6, so the answer will be 3136. Here will 25 plus 6, that makes it 31, and this will be 0 0 plus 6 square, that is 36, so the answer will be 3136. Hopefully it is quite clear too. If it's not clear, please rewind the video again and again. Now coming to next one, like next category, now the numbers it will be less than 50. The earlier category is greater than 50, now this is less than 50. You need to find the square of 49. How will you find it out? 49 square. Okay. Always remember 50 by 2, that is 25. Okay. So it's 1 less than 50. So you have to write 25 minus 1, and the next it will be 0 0 plus 1 square. Since it is 1 less than 50, 0 0 plus 1 square. So the answer will be 2401. Always substitute 0 0 plus 1 square. So the answer will be 2401. Next one, similarly 47 square. Less than 50 by 3 units, so 25 minus 3, and next one 0 0 plus 3 square. So answer is 2209. Similarly 46 square. 4 units less than 50, so it will be 25 minus 4, and the next one it will be 0 0 plus 4 square, so the answer comes out to be 2116. Similarly 48 square, like 2 units less than 50, so 25 minus 2, and the second one, that is 0 0 plus 2 square, since 2 less than 50, so the answer comes out to be 2304. 2304. Okay. Now let's come to the last category, that is square of a number. Sorry for that, this is not the last category, this is the second last category. Here you need to find the square of a number less than 100 and greater than 100, and the last one it will be something different. So let's look at it also. Square of a number less than 100, you need to find out, suppose 99 square. How will you find it out? Similarly, less like the 50 example, is almost similar to it but not exactly similar. You will find out difference also, that is it's 1 unit less than 100, so you need to write out 99 minus 1. Since it is 1 less than 100, so it will be 99 minus 1, and the next one it will as usual 0 0 plus 1 square, since it is 1 less than 100, so it will be 9801. Similarly, if you find out that's 97 squared, so it's 3 less than 100, so 97 minus 3, first two places, the next two places is 0 0 plus 3 squared, since 3 less than 100, so it will be 0 0 plus 3 squared is 09, so the answer will be 9409. Now if you look at the next example, that's 96 squared, since it is 4 less than 100, it will 96 minus 4, and the next will be 0 0 plus 4 squared, since it is 4 less than 100, so the answer will be 9216. And the last one is self-explanatory. I think you must be well familiar with this concept now. Now if we find out that is square of a number greater than 100, just like the previous one, less than 100 is also quite similar, only the difference is that here you need to add it. Like since you were asked like find the square of 101, So you need to understand it is 1 greater than 1. So you need to write it over here, 101 plus 1, since it is 1 greater than 100. And the next one, that is 00 plus 1 squared, since it is 1 greater than 100. Just like the previous one, 103 also, it's 3 greater than 100, so 103 plus 3, and the next one is 00 plus 3 squared. Similarly, 104 square, 4 greater than 100, so here it will be 00 plus 4 squared, and the first one will be 104 plus 4, since it's 4 greater than 100. Similarly, last one also 106 plus 6 and 00 plus 06 squared, so that makes it 11236. Now let's look at the last category, that is square of any number ending in 5. This is the most simple one and most easy to calculate. For this you will take less than 1 second also. Like if you are asked find the square of 25, what you will do, just see it over here. 25 into 25, simply you need to write it over here, 5 square, it is 25, and here you need to understand like 2, the next one is 6, 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 625. So it's quite simple, just you need to write 5 square 25, and since it is asked that you need to find the square 25, so 2 multiplied by the next higher number of 2, that is 3, so 2 into 3 it makes 625. Just to look at the next example, it will be quite clear to you. Like if you are asked to find the square of 35, what you will do, simply write 5 square 25, the next digit of 3, higher digit of 3 is 4, so 3 4 is 12, so 1225. If you are asked like 45, so it will 5 square 25, 4 5 is 20. If you are asked 65, 5 square 25, 6 7 is 42. So it's just easy as it is, you can understand over here. So coming to an end of this particular lesson, if you happen to like my lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends as much as possible, and if you got any query, please don't forget to